to show you how I make a really nice and easy scalloped potato dish with dehydrated potato slices. My real nice dehydrated potato slices. So with that, I got my casserole dish here. I got it nice and buttered. And I'm just going to put all my potato slices in there. Okay? And set that aside for a second. Okay, so here I have got, this is all the goodies that are going to go in my scalloped potato mix. I've got a 1/4 cup of powdered milk. I got 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I got a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. I got a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder. I got a tablespoon of parsley, a tablespoon of onion flakes, and a tablespoon of chives. And that is all going to go in one bowl. Okay. And now let's see. I'm going to give that a quick little mix and stir that around so it's all mixed in together. This is really, really easy to do. Okay, with that I got some nice hot water here, and I'm going to do 2 cups, 2 3/4 cups. Then I got another one here. You want it nice and hot because you are working with dehydrated potatoes. So we'll put that in there. You don't need milk because you got the milk powder in there. This is really easy and very, very budget friendly. Okay, just give it a nice mix. But you don't want lumps in there from that milk. Just make sure that milk is all mixed in real good. Okay. All right, now all we're going to do is we're just going to pour it right on our potatoes. So you can take your... Now these potatoes will absorb every bit of that, and they will be wonderful. Now with that, we're just going to take a couple dots of butter and place it around there. All right, we already got everything is in there. It's all set to go. Now all we're going to do is we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. And when this is all done, I'll be back and show you just how wonderful it turns out. There you have it, friends. My potatoes are done. It's really easy to do. It's budget friendly. And it tastes delicious. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.